Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Base44 and Claude. Base44 and Claude are both AI-driven platforms, but they serve distinct purposes and cater to different users' needs. Base44 is an AI-powered no-code platform designed to help users build full-stack web applications quickly by simply describing their ideas in natural language. It offers an all-in-one solution including front-end, back-end, user authentication, and database integration all within a single interface. The platform supports various design styles and allows users to export their projects to GitHub, facilitating further customization. It's particularly beneficial for solopreneurs, marketers, and designers looking to prototype or launch MVPs without extensive coding knowledge. Users have praised Base44 for its intuitive vibe coding approach, enabling rapid prototyping and deployment. The platform's integration with AI agents like Claude Sonnet 4 and Gemini 2.5 Pro enhances its flexibility and responsiveness. However, some users have reported limitations, such as steeper learning curve for beginners and occasional glitches during the development process. Claude AI is an advanced artificial intelligence chatbot developed to assist with tasks like writing, research, and conversation. It can generate text, summarize documents, and provide creative suggestions in a natural, human-like manner. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. Claude focuses on producing accurate and safe responses, minimizing harmful or biased outputs. Users appreciate its ability to handle complex questions and providing clear, organized answers. While powerful, some users note occasional misunderstandings or slower responses with very long queries. Overall, Claude AI is better for accurate, safe, and versatile text generation, while Base44 is focused on no-code app building. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.